Welcome to the Tuesday Health Series on Food Talk with Sharon. Today I'm going to start off a keto series. So for the next few weeks, we're going to make recipes which can be had if you're following a keto diet. The first recipe is of a cauliflower fried rice. Now, if you followed keto diet at any point in your life, you would know that cauliflower forms a substitute for many ingredients like rice, potatoes. So in a keto diet, cauliflower is a replacement for potatoes or rice. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Food Talk with Sharon. The first step for making this fried rice is prepping the cauliflowers. So what I generally do is, once I separate the cauliflower into florets, I put it into hot water for 5 minutes with a little bit of salt and turmeric. I drain off the water and then use the cauliflower. So for this cauliflower fried rice, we need to either grate the cauliflower florets or use a chopper. So I'm using a chopper today and I'm going to chop all these into small chunks which resembles rice. This recipe uses an egg, but if you don't prefer that, you can just skip it. So first step is to scramble the egg. I'm scrambling the egg here in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Instead of ghee, you can use butter as well. Season the egg with some salt and pepper. And just scramble it into medium-sized chunks. Into the same pan, add another tablespoon of ghee or butter and fry your garlic till it's fragrant and a light brown color. Into this, let's add some spring onion whites. Next goes in red bell pepper. Now on a keto diet, the red or the green bell pepper works better than the yellow ones. Some green peas. Stir it all a little. And then add the grated cauliflower. Mix this all in well and let it sit covered for 5 to 7 minutes. The cauliflower should be crunchy. You don't have to cook it till it's really mushy. It should retain its crunchy texture. Now, if you've noticed, I've not added any salt to this. So this is a fried rice, so I will be adding soy sauce and green chili sauce to this later. And both these sauces already contain salt. The cauliflower and the veggies look done now. Let's add in some vinegar, soy sauce and green chili sauce. Add in the scrambled eggs. Give it a nice stir and then taste it and see if it needs some more salt. So I need a little bit more of salt, so I'm adding some salt and seasoning with some pepper as well. Finally, sprinkle with some spring onion grease. Your keto cauliflower fried rice is all ready to be served hot.